Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can have the best AFK skills to level up in old school RuneScape. So, if you enjoy playing old school RuneScape but don't want to click every few seconds, then there is an AFK training and it's one of the best ways to make progress. Whether you're working, studying, watching videos, simply relaxing, there are plenty of skills you can level with very little attention. But first of all, let me just do this quickly. It says, please tap on flashing spanner icon on the right side. So over here, this will display your setting. Oh, here we go. Now it says on the side panel you can now see a variety of games setting a little. Alright. We got a lot of settings right over here, and if you press on all settings, then we could go. Alright, so let me get into it, okay? So in this guide we'll cover the best AFK skills you can pretty much do. And explain why they're worth training, and there's also like the best ways. So we'll also talk about the pros and cons of each and every skill, so you can decide which ones are worth your time. So let's get started. So what makes a skill AFK? So before we jump into the list, let's define what AFK actually means. A truly AFK active doesn't require constant clicking or attention. So right over here, as you can see, I'm just constantly clicking and doing that. And if you want the best AFK skills, it doesn't need any of those clickings and all whatever. Okay. So instead of interacting with the game, every few seconds, you can leave your character for training for a while before checking back. Some methods let you AFK for only 20 or 30 seconds, while others can last several minutes before requiring another click. General AFK methods offer lower XP, lower rates than more active training methods, but many players prefer them because they are much more relaxing and easier to fit into busy schedule. So first you can do is fishing. So if you go, fishing is literally one of the most popular AFK skills. Once you reach higher fishing levels, methods like Karambwans or anglerfish allow you to click once, and you can just continue fishing for quite a while before needing to interact again. So if you just do fishing and just you can get more XP. So if you're looking for balance between AFK gameplay and decent XP, I think you should go for fishing. It's an excellent choice, and it's basically for players who are purely focused on AFK training. Fishing is often one of the first skill people would actually recommend. So the other one is woodcutting. Woodcutting has always been one of the easiest AFK skills in RuneScape. Cutting few trees or magic trees requires very little attention compared to many other gathering skills. You can simply click a tree and wait until it's depleted in your inventory fills. So right over here, as you can see, we got a tree right over here, and we could just chop down this oak tree and many other trees if we can just find. So yeah, could just do a lot of tree cutting activities, and we're good. So high level players can also use Redwoods, which are considered one of the most AFK training methods in the game, although the XP isn't very it's not the fastest, but the relaxed gameplay makes woodcutting a favorite long training session for people. You can also do mining. Mining has improved significantly thanks to newer training methods. Motor load mine is one of the most popular AFK options because you're mining pay dirt instead of constantly clicking individual rocks. After collecting enough pay dirt, you process it for ores and experience it. Mining isn't AFK or as fishing or woodcutting, but motor load mining provides a good balance between experience, profit, and low effort. For many players, it's the preferred way to train mining all the way to level 99. You can also do cooking. Cooking is another surprisingly AFK skill. Once you start cooking a full inventory, your character automatically processes every item without additional clicks. This means you can step away for a short time while your food cooks. Cooking also has one of the fastest XP rates in the game, making it perfect for players who want quick progress and minimal interactions. And then we got firemaking. If you're training firemaking at Wintertodt, it isn't particularly AFK. However, traditional firemaking methods become much more relaxed once you establish a rhythm. Firemaking is also one of the cheaper 99s depending on the logs you use. While it requires more clicking than other skills on this list, many players still consider it fairly low effort. And then we got combat training. Combat training can actually be one of the most AFK activities in OSRS. Basically, training against monsters with aggressive behavior allows your character to fight automatically for several minutes. Popular choices include sand crabs, ammonite crabs, and then Nightmare Zone. Nightmare Zone is especially popular because monsters remain aggressive, allowing players to AFK while gaining the combat experience. Many players use this method to level attacks, train defense, hit points, and even ranged magic with the right setup. And then we got smithing. Smithing isn't usually taught as AFK, but methods like cannonballs require very little attention. This XP is much slower than traditional smithing methods. You can remain in relative idle with your characters. Cannonballs are also useful for slayers and can be sold for profit. If your goal is low effort rather than maximum XP, cannonballs are worth considering. So as I told you, the tips for efficient AFK training. So to get the most out of AFK training, wear the best skilling outfit available, keep your inventory organized, use stamina potions instead of potions when they're needed, bring teleports to reduce time travel, and then train during activities where you don't want to focus completely on the game. Remember that AFK methods usually sacrifice XP for convenience, so choose the method that's best for your fit schedule. Which AFK skill is the best? So if you ask, if your goal is maximum relaxation, fishing and woodcutting are hard to beat. If you want strong XP with little interaction, cooking is one of the best. For a long term, it's basically combat training. Nightmare Zone remains one of the most popular AFK methods in the game. And mining at Motherlode Mine offers a great balance between profit and experience, while smithing cannonballs is perfect if you prefer slow but extremely easy training. So yeah, the best AFK really depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Some players don't want profit, others want fast levels, some simply want to make progress while doing something else. These are some of the best AFK skills to level in old school RuneScape. Whether you're aiming for your next milestone or working toward a 99, AFK training is a great way to keep progress without constantly watching your screen. So if you find this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. See ya.